Hello there, this time I'm going to talk how you can force the update of the Teams desktop client. So here I am in my Teams desktop client, and in order to force the update of the client, what I had to do is just to click on my picture, in my profile picture, and then I had to click on check for updates. What this is going to do is just to show a banner informing me that, yeah, we will check and install any update while you continue to work. That means that behind the scenes, the Teams client is just updating itself, and in case there are any updates, then it's possible that the client needs to be restarted and started again. And then you will have latest update for the Teams desktop client. The next thing you can do is just click on About, and you can see the current version you have installed of Teams. As you can see in this particular demonstration, I have this version, the 1.3.00.120.58, 64 bits, and yeah, it was last updated the 1st of May. And that's all for today. For today, I hope you have found this video useful, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.